Hey, y'all gotta watch this shit here. Here, I cooked a ham hock for about an hour, hour and a half. I have some dry red beans that I wash real good with hot water in order to get the dirt and stuff off of them, and add them to the pot. And I'm adding celery, bell pepper, and onion to the pot, and I'm gonna put garlic powder in it. You notice I'm just pouring it in there because I cook old school. I don't do no measuring. We got some onion powder. Don't be scared to add the onion powder. Makes it real delicious. We're gonna add a lit sea salt to start the beans off. Normally I don't add salt at the beginning of my pot because it makes the beans harden and you have to cook them longer than average. Here I'm gonna add some sugar. That's to balance the taste of the sweet and salty. And here I have a slab of salt meat that I am cutting up into blocks. All right, we got it blocked up here. We're gonna put it in a frying pan and we're gonna brown it on both sides. Then we're gonna add it to the pot. And as you can see, the color of the beans done changed. They cook for about an hour, hour and a half. Then I added the salt pork. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna add some smoked sausage. They look good too. I'm gonna cut up a slab of small ribs, pork rib, and we're finna season them up. And I'm gonna try this here smoke rub. Something new for me. Hadn't tried it yet. I'm gonna add me a little garlic powder. Got to have me some cayenne pepper and put a little accent on it. Okay, we have the ribs seasoned real well. And here in a minute, we're gonna add them to my air fryer. And I put some water in the bottom of my air fryer. That way it can steam the ribs to real tender. I'm placing them all in there. And here I'm gonna add my barbecue sauce. That way it can cook within the meat. And this here is how the beans turned out of cooking about 3.5 hours. So we're gonna I done plated with the food. I cut up tomato and onion on it, top of it, because that's how I like mine. Now Everybody have a choice on what they want to add to theirs, but here's my recipe on red beans, rice, and sausage with barbecue rib. And when I tell you that food was delicious, go cook some food, damn it.